Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to give my personal findings and analysis and few points related to the Superfans option as well as the stock named Apollo Hospital. Because why we are talking about the Apollo Hospital? The Apollo Hospital is in the limelight, and this Apollo Hospital is going to reach some more further higher levels. So before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the Superfans option. It's a trading tips platform operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So the Superfans option is nothing but it is a trading tips in stock option in live market. The entry price and target price and related updates will be given through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. The working capital requirement for Superfans option is just 10k. Yes, just 10k is enough. Around 10,000 rupees can be considered as startup capital in which we can give stock option trading tips for us to take single lot or double lot or triple lot. Sometimes rarely apply to take 4 lots up to 4 lots. We give such a kind of low premium penny level option trading tips will be given with entry and target. Now why you should join Superfans option? There is a great reason with respect to this Apollo Hospital itself. I can say after saying few points about the Apollo Hospital stock. Recently the Apollo Hospital stock Q2 results is very fabulous and very attractive and very magnanimous, because I found there are two reasons for very great results in Apollo Hospital Q2 numbers. The one is the patients for COVID comes from across the world. I can say that it is nothing but the growth, financial growth by international patients for COVID. One reason, and another reason is recently they launched one TV commercial you might have seen in television, the Apollo Health Co. The Apollo Health Co. digital arm. So it is nothing but a doctor will be available at the hospital and he will address the patient, he will test the patient through the team of doctors or persons who are taking an ambulance. The ambulance will go to the patient's place and they will treat the treatment. It is nothing but more or less telemedicine. See, because of this, the Apollo Hospital has a greatest potential. And with respect to the Apollo Hospital's street news, the street news is nothing but they are saying that Apollo Hospital will reach 2.5 billion US dollars by the end of 2025. In my prediction, they will reach this target even before 2023 itself. And another thing is they are also saying that the Apollo Hospital will reach 100 million customers by the end of 2025. Here also I will damn sure that they will achieve this target by before 2023 itself. Now coming to the Superfans option and Apollo Hospital, and recently on 9th of November we gave a trading tips in Superfans option. The trading tips is Apollo Hospital 5200 call option. The entry price was given by us at the rate of just 18 rupees. The lot size is 125, and this 18 rupees has shoot up within 1 week to a level of 640. Just imagine, entry price is 18, it reaches to 640 rupees within a span of 1 week. So I used to say that for Superfans option 10,000 rupees as a startup capital is enough. So in this particular script alone, the investment to take one call is around 2,250 rupees only. At this 2,250 rupees, I can say 2k for simplicity. This 2k has shoot up to 2k has grown to 80k within 1 week. Suppose a person traded with 10 lots using this entry price, the investment maybe comes around approximately 10k, just above 10k. So this 10k has grown into 4 lakhs rupees within a span of 1 week. This is the our highest profit making in Superfans option in recent months. So you can consider to join Superfans option. The subscription is 7,999. You can remit the subscription by GPay, Google Pay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. Remember, we have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street and one Vijay. No other person is connected here. Beware of fake people who may reflect our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. All of our activities are confined only with WhatsApp and blog website. So join Superfans option as early as possible to make yourself comfortable with consistent profits. Suppose if you are a big shot, suppose you are having a capital around 1 lakh rupees, if you are willing to travel for a period of 1 year, you can subscribe to a higher level option trading tips plan is known as Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips and occasional jackpot trading tips. Double money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply within by 2 times within few days of holding, and triple money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply by 3 times within few days of holding, and mini jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply by 5 to 10 times within few or some more days of holding of the same month, and occasional jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply by 10 to 20 times within the same month itself. So if you falls in this category, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Otherwise, you can subscribe to Superfans option. Superfan option is a roaring type of trading tips platform for retail investors and traders. So subscribe and make yourself comfortable to make consistent profits with low level risk, because there will be no loss in this Superfans option trading. We used to employ a safe trading method. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.